It's all good. It happens. It's all good. Alright, everybody. It's Jason 4. Good luck to everybody except for Jingle. Short lobby here, though, guys. So, shit. You got the bathroom.
Real?
I'll go there.
This can't be real.
I'm AJ, one of my favorite counselors, female or otherwise. She's really good at repair. She's got great stealth, great composure. I'm right here by the phone house. Jason's not here yet. That's a good sign. Hey, you guys, the garage is the phone house. The garage is the phone house. If you get the phone fuse, the garage is the phone house. The garage, not the boathouse, the garage. Yes. Is this you? You got the... Do you have the thing? Nice. You don't have the, Damn it. No, I was hoping that you had the, fuse. It's all good. Hey, do you guys happen to have the fuse? If you have the phone fuse, the boathouse is the fuse house, guys. You guys gotta be faster on these drawers. The garage is the fuse house, y'all. The garage is the fuse house. If you have the fuse, go to the garage. Leave me alone, Jason! He's right here, guys! He's right here! He's right here! Listen! The phone fuse goes at the garage, folks! Damn.
I think I put that on right.
Battery's in! Jason, leave me alone. Oops, this one's already broken down. That's not good. Bump, 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 bump. I felt the rush like a rolling ball of thunder, spinning my head around and taking my body under. What a night! Do 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 do. Damn! I wish I had a map. Don't. Hey, don't. Why are you coming to me, man? Here, you need one of these? Did much too soon. Oh, what a night. Dun, dun, dun. Why is everybody coming to me? Guys! Guys! Stop it! Lady, what a night. I know. I know. I felt a rush like a rolling ball of thunder, spinning my head around and kicking my body under. What a night! Boom, 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 boom. Oh, what a night! I might have to rewind this song. Rewind is a term we used to use back in the day, kiddos. And listen to it again. Because I like it. And I missed a lot of it. Nice! Alright, now I really need to just find that one more critical item. It's not even for this freaking...
Copy, I'm in roll here.
Nice! Hell yeah, bros! Talking about broskies. Ding 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 ding. Oh shit, yeah. Shit, I don't have a map. I don't know where the other frickin' car is. Damn it. I think it's over this way. So polite, still saying please. Yep, I know where it's at. Oh, what'd they do? Oh, nice. Yeah, somebody did call the cops. Nice. Good job, guys. You guys are outstanding people. A lot of them are, though.
Oh, fuck. Who is that? Oh my god, I can't look.
Well, she had one pair of keys.
I think I put that on right.
Hey, listen, guys. This is your friendly Uber. Meet me at the exit.
It actually worked.
Hey, if you live, meet me at the exit. I'll wait for you if I can. Ha ha ha! Bye bye, Jason! Hey, who's here close to the main road? Who's here close to the main road? Get to the main road, guy. Get to the main road. Jason's on me, y'all. Jason's on me. He's on me. I'll try to waste his time for the next 2 minutes if I can. Jason, come get me. I'm in the car, buddy. I see him. I see him. He's on my radar. I'm on the main road. Listen, guys, he's coming towards me. He's coming towards me. Okay? Yes, I'm in the car. I see him right now in my windshield. Okay? But he's over here near me, okay? He's gonna stop me. He's gonna stop me. I fucked up. Oh wait, I didn't fuck up. How did I get out of that? I'm a genius. Holy crap, I'm a genius. Holy shit, I'm a genius. Ha ha! Bye, Jason. Alright, I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you. He can't catch me with his shift. I'm coming to you. Get ready to get in the car and then we're gonna dip. Don't get run over. Get in. Shoot him. Do something. He can't shift. Don't worry. He can't shift. We got this. Bye, Jason. Bye, dude. All right, we're leaving, Jason. Don't worry about us, man. We're gone, dude. We're as good as gone. I know. We're good as gone, Jason. Don't worry about us, bro. I know. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Get in, get in, get in, get in. Come on, run, bro. Well, you got left. Cops are here anyway, bro. Cops are here anyway. Run. See? I don't know how you ran out of... No, they're not. No, they're not. It's all good. Don't worry about it. Just run to the cops. Run to the cops. It's all good. Run to the cops. Run to the cops! Bye. Interesting. No, he's still chasing him. Yeah, he's trying to kill him. He's just not successful. Dimpats is a good player, so I don't think he's teaming with anybody. He was the guy that was Jason last time and wrecked us. Yeah, he's not using his more. Good job, everybody. Good job, good job, good jobs. He may be new.